Welcome sa inyong lahat dito sa aming channel. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe para lagi kang notified. Kami si Justin and si Chris at ito ang aming Simple Life. Note at comment down below. Please share and like this video.
Moon Prism morning to you guys!
And welcome to another special episode of the JK Vlogs. And kanina umaga dapat meron akong client ng mga maldang alas 4. So I had the house set up to do her makeup pero hindi siya dumating. Si Ateng. Guys, ano bang, di ba sa mga online shop, yung mga Joy Reserver, Bogus Buyer, pinupost yung picture. I'm like so tempted na i-post yung picture niya, nakakaloka si Ateng. Na parang, as much as I want to do that, I'm not gonna do it. Sa isip ko na lang yun ginagawa sa kanya. I'm still a little sick, pero I'm feeling a little better. And I just want to share how much stuff I still have here na hindi ko pa natatrabaho. I am currently writing yet another script for one of the vlogs. Yung tipong malaki sinaistat na dating ng vlog, yung ginawa ko kagaya kay Bianca Umali na vlog. So, meron pa ko isang vlog na ganun yung style. And, tawag dito, I'm going to have that uploaded sometime this week. And if napansin nyo na medyo may gap in between sa upload ko, it's because I really got sick. I didn't vlog for almost 3 days, so wala akong masyadong material na ginagamit. So, yun lang. This guys, I got this in the mail. Galing siya kay Ching Laderas. Laderas? Ayan yung number niya. Have you guys tried this before? I showed this to my mom. And sabi niya, she buys this. Kasi organic daw to. Sorry sa aking toenails. Ayan. So, naka-yoga pants na ako ngayon actually, guys. Ready na ako for mature rolls sa gym. Kumakain lang ako kasi kailangan kong kumain. Andun yung aking plate. Andun. Sorry, dapat pala hindi pa. Come on. Andun yung aking plate. Kailangan lagi may naman ng aking tiyan para sa pag-take ko ng antibiotic. I super hate antibiotics kasi they make my head hurt, they make my stomach hurt, every part of me, they make it hurt. I changed my mind. I'm just going to do this. Mga 3 kanta. We're done with the at-home workout. Hindi na ako lumabas kasi sobrang tinatamad lang ako. Tapos si Justin, gagabihin siya ng uwi kasi may basketball siya ngayon. Nasa Fairview siya. And I decided, gusto ko sanang mag-video na. Kaso, sabi ko, siguro maybe I should fix this hair kasi I hate it na. Nakikita nyo, kulay orange na siya. And hindi talaga ako sanay na nagsha-shampoo every day. And when you have like bleached hair, kailangan talaga siya ng shampoo ng purple shampoo. Ayoko na ng ganun. Kaya, gagamitin ko tong Il Salone na nakuha namin kahapon doon sa event na, anong nga yun? Beauty Backstage. So inside the box, you'll get Intense Professional Color Cream, Prep and Prime, o para makeup lang. Tapos this one naman, it says, it's the color. And I think this one is the developer. And then you have here the Intense Professional Color Cream, Nourish and Shine. Tapos, I love that it came with plastic gloves. Mga best, sobrang tsakanes na talaga yung aking buhok. Teka nga, iladlad ko. Gusto niyo ba iladlad ko para makita niyo? This is the before of my sira-sirang hair. May kadiring hair. So, unang gagawin natin, sabi sa instruction guide, o bali pa lang, unang yung gagawin, basahin yung instruction guide. Pagkatapos, maglagay ng plastic gloves. yung brush. Pero pag kasi ito nasa ganito oh, parang lalagyan na ng ketchup. Tapos you squeeze it out like that. Tapos spread the product. Ayan guys, nakikita nyo dark na, di ba? Nilagay ko lang yung treatment sa buhok ko. And I think it's gonna be a light brown. Feeling ko lang. Kasi nung tinitingnan ko kanina dito sa shoulders ko, sobrang light yung pagka-brown niya. Inisip ko, kapag natuyo to, mas light pa na konti. Pero, we'll see. Maliligo lang ako. And I'm back! Look! I have dark hair! I have a feeling na may pachi-pachi yan. Pero, saka na natin na ayusin yon kasi nagugutom na ang inyong lingkod. So, here's what I'm having. Broccoli na merong butter, garlic butter. Ano ba to? Pork slices or ano ba siya? Parang bacon slices na pork. Pero wala kasi siyang timpla. Nilagyan ko lang ng salt and pepper. And of course, my metal chopsticks. A lot of you are asking kung saan namin nabili yung ito oh, yung Korean spoon at saka tong metal chopsticks. Nabili ni Jel, yung sister-in-law ko. Somewhere in Ortigas, yun sa mga Korean store na, ano yun? Korean convenience stores, ganun. Ang sarap. Can you hear the crunch? Ito yung mga klase ng meal na on the go lang. Walang 30 minutes na luto mo na. Healthy pa. Siyempre, except for the pan-fried, pork slices. Pero at least, diba? Kalahati ng plato mo, greens. Ang harap. We're now done with dinner, and here's what's going to happen next. We're going to be filming a full face using just one makeup brand. So, I'm done filming this look. Do you guys like it? Do you guys dig it? Kasi, na-inspire ako nung isang hate comment sa isa sa mga videos ko. Sabi niya, daw, ang tunay na magaling na makeup artist, kahit anong makeup brand, makeup product, kaya kahit pucho-pucho, no? Kaya daw niyang pagandahin. Ang pangit nung kinalabasan ng 500 peso makeup challenge ko. So, sabi ko, sige nga, challenge ko aking sarili. And so far, I like it. I like the inner highlight. Medyo subtle lang siya kasi nga hindi siya ganun ka-pigmented, diba? Anyway, this is the palette that I use on my face. So, may clue na kayo guys, and this is going to be a one brand makeup tutorial featuring Ever Belena. And do you guys dig my husky bedroom voice? Do you like it? Does it sound sexy to you? Oh. Kasi napause na ako. Tapos si Daddy nandito na siya. Love, labas ka nga! Magpakita ka sa vlogs. Hindi ka na nakikita sa vlogs. Daddy! Say hi! Against the light.
Daddy!
Bakit ganyan boses mo?
Kasi ubo ko ng ubay. 1 week na.
Pareho tayong husky, sexy voice.
Yan yung Canadian husky.
Hindi ko pa nagbabati sa asawa mo.
Kanina, inano kita sabi ko, please don't lie.
Gusto mo na putok bataw? Grabe guys, lahat kami dito may sakit. Si Daddy may sakit, kawawa naman. May ubo na siya mga 2 weeks na. So I'm just going to end the vlog here guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!